Morning yoga routine. Energize your day with yoga. Starting your day with a morning yoga routine can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Yoga in the morning can help wake up your body, mind, and spirit, providing energy, focus, and a sense of calm. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a beginner, incorporating yoga into your morning routine can bring numerous benefits, including improved flexibility, strength, mental clarity, and overall well-being. This video will drill into the benefits of morning yoga, how to create a personalized routine, and a detailed step-by-step sequence to help you get started. Benefits of morning yoga. Energizes the body. Morning yoga helps to wake up your body by increasing blood flow and oxygen, which can boost your energy levels and make you feel more awake and alert. Improves flexibility. Gentle stretches in the morning can help to loosen stiff muscles and joints, improving overall flexibility and range of motion. Enhances mental clarity. Yoga can help clear the mind and improve concentration, making it easier to focus on tasks throughout the day. Reduces stress. Starting the day with yoga can help reduce stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation and mindfulness. Boosts metabolism. A morning yoga routine can help to kickstart your metabolism, aiding in digestion and weight management. Promotes positive mood. Yoga encourages the release of endorphins, which can enhance your mood and promote a sense of well-being. Establishes a healthy routine. Incorporating yoga into your morning routine can set a positive tone for the day and establish healthy habits. Creating a personalized morning yoga routine. To create a personalized morning yoga routine, consider the following steps. Set a schedule. Determine a specific time each morning for your yoga practice. Consistency is key to establishing a routine. Create a comfortable space. Designate a quiet, comfortable space for your practice. Use a yoga mat and any props you may need, such as blocks or straps. Choose the right duration. Decide how long you want your morning yoga routine to be. It can be as short as 10 minutes or as long as an hour, depending on your schedule and goals. Select appropriate poses. Choose a sequence of poses that align with your goals and fitness level. Focus on poses that help to wake up your body, improve flexibility, and promote relaxation. Incorporate breathing exercises. Include pranayama, breathing exercises, to help center your mind and enhance the benefits of your practice. End with relaxation. Finish your routine with a period of relaxation or meditation to set a calm and focused tone for the day. Sample morning yoga routine. Here's a detailed step-by-step morning yoga routine that you can follow or modify to suit your needs. Centering and breath awareness, 3 to 5 minutes. Start your practice by sitting comfortably on your mat, either cross-legged or on your heels. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Focus on your breath and bring your awareness to the present moment. Easy pose, Sukhasana. Sit comfortably with your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. Rest your hands on your knees or thighs, palms facing up or down. Take deep, slow breaths, allowing your body and mind to settle. Cat-cow stretch, 5 to 7 breaths each. This gentle warm-up sequence helps to wake up the spine and improve flexibility. Cat-cow pose, Marjaryasana Bidhalasana. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position with your wrists directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale, arch your back, and lift your head and tailbone toward the ceiling, cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, and tuck your chin and tailbone, cat pose. Continue to flow between these two poses with your breath. Downward facing dog, 5 to 7 breaths. Downward facing dog is a foundational pose that stretches the entire body and helps to build strength. Pose, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. From the tabletop position, tuck your toes under and lift your hips up and back, straightening your legs. Press your hands firmly into the mat and relax your head between your arms. Hold the pose for several breaths, feeling the stretch along your spine, hamstrings, and calves. Sun salutations, 3 to 5 rounds. Sun salutations are a series of poses performed in a flow that warms up the entire body and increases circulation. Sequence: Sun Salutation A, Surya Namaskar A, Mountain Pose, Tadasana. Stand at the top of your mat with your feet together and arms at your sides. Upward salute, Urdhva Hastasana. Inhale, raise your arms overhead, and reach up. Standing forward bend, Uttanasana. Exhale, hinge at your hips, and fold forward, bringing your hands to the floor or your shins. Halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Inhale, lift your torso halfway, and lengthen your spine. Plank pose, Phalakasana. Exhale, step or jump back into a plank position. Chaturanga Dandasana. Lower halfway down with your elbows close to your sides. Upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, roll over your toes, and lift your chest and thighs off the mat. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, lift your hips up and back into downward facing dog. Halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Inhale, step or jump forward to the top of your mat and lift your torso halfway. Standing forward bend, Uttanasana. Exhale, fold forward. Upward salute, Urdhva Hastasana. Inhale, rise to stand and reach your arms overhead. Mountain pose, Tadasana. Exhale, return to the starting position. Warrior sequence, 5 to 7 breaths each side. The warrior poses build strength and stability in the legs and core while also improving balance. Pose, Warrior 1. Virabhadrasana 1. Hold for several breaths, then switch sides. Pose, Warrior 2. Virabhadrasana 2. From Warrior 1, open your hips and arms to the side, keeping your right knee bent and your left leg straight. Extend your arms parallel to the floor and gaze over your right hand. Hold for several breaths, then switch sides. Triangle pose, 5 to 7 breaths each side. Triangle pose stretches the legs, hips, and spine while also improving balance and stability. Triangle pose, Trikonasana. From Warrior 2, straighten your front leg and reach your front hand forward. Lower your front hand to your shin, ankle, or the floor, and extend your top arm toward the ceiling. Keep your chest open and gaze up at your top hand. Hold for several breaths, then switch sides. Seated twist, 5 to 7 breaths each side. Twisting poses help to release tension in the spine and improve digestion. Pose, Seated twist, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Sit on the mat with your legs extended. Bend your right knee and place your right foot on the outside of your left thigh. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and place your right hand behind you. Exhale, twist to the right, bringing your left elbow to the outside of your right knee. Hold for several breaths, then switch sides. Child's pose, 1 to 2 minutes. Child's pose is a restorative pose that promotes relaxation and gently stretches the back, hips, and thighs. Child's pose, Balasana. Extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Hold for several breaths, allowing your body to relax and release tension. End your practice with corpse pose, a restorative pose that promotes deep relaxation and integration of the benefits of your practice. Corpse pose, Savasana. Lie on your back with your legs extended and arms resting at your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths, allowing your body to relax completely. Stay in this pose for 5 to 10 minutes, focusing on your breath and letting go of any remaining tension. A morning yoga routine can provide a powerful and positive start to your day, offering numerous physical, mental, and emotional benefits. By incorporating a sequence of poses that wake up the body, improve flexibility, and promote relaxation, you can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, personalizing your morning yoga routine to suit your needs and goals can help you establish a consistent practice that enhances your overall well-being. Remember to listen to your body, move mindfully, and enjoy the journey of your morning yoga practice. If you received value from this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.